Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to activate dark mode on the Google Chrome browser. Now the first thing we need to do is to launch our Chrome browser. Once the browser has been launched, you want to come right to these three ellipses here, then navigate to settings, and from this search bar we're going to search for dark. And right here we can see the option to select our preferred theme. You can see light right there, you can see dark, and you can see device. So simply, if you like the dark mode, just select dark, and there's no need to click on save. So once you select dark mode, the setting has been effected already. So that's how to activate dark mode on the Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video, and I'll see you in the next one.